Cuckoo have a special one. Cuckoo, you have a special one. But I would like to shout out for your best friend, I think. It was just your best friend? That's good. Hello, grabe. Sino yan? DYR. What was Shabby? Ligar Paras. Hello, Johnny. Do you know? Pin girl. Oh! Why? Tomorrow you have already someone. Oh my god, guys. Guys, don't be, how do you call that? I know guys always using flattery so that girls will be in single to the girls will be, oh no, oh no. Oh, it must see Coco, you know. Johnny Tamayo. Oh, Johnny Tamayo. Don't do that because they have a lot of people know you. And they will see you were you with someone. It's someone like you can smile with. Coco, no, I don't. I am in Chula Vista. Do you know each other? It's just, I'm just surprised. Do a surprise para. Thank you, everyone. I don't know. No, I don't know him. I want to ask Chino. Oh. Ooh. And you do not know? Oh. Don't tell a lie, Mr. Tumayo. Pinchy Miss, the famous blogger. So, Mr. Tumayo, you only stay here for not famous streamers. Guys, Kuku, I'm just a farmer. You know, I'll do things that for farm. But just right now, I couldn't. Yesterday, I'll do things for doing my plants. But, okay, now I just want to show you about it. When I will think your to Canada answer, please use present number. Oh, I would like to say shout out to I don't know, this is Spanish girl or a man? It's a man or a woman. Pin is just like two. I couldn't recognize if it's a girl or a boy. Ah. I would like to shout out my finger me for Cuckoo was the one who asked to shout out your name. Wow, you are a famous blogger too. Guys, I need to show you my things that I do yesterday. Since it is already here, I just want you to show about it. Because I think it's time for me to show the things that I do yesterday so that everything will know about what I do.